Make an effort to connect with your audience not just as potential customers but as real people with real needs and expectations. Foster this bond by cultivating an open and transparent communication channel, encouraging feedback, responding promptly, and respecting their choices and opinions. And before you know it, you'll cultivate a customer community centered around your platform. These strategies are pivotal in tailoring an effective affiliate marketing strategy to maximize your earnings in 2024. Remember, it's not about simply making more money, rather, it's about how you can continue to grow and evolve in today's fast-changing digital environment. Practice these strategies with unwavering commitment and witness your income scale new heights. We start by introducing one of the most crucial mechanisms of affiliate marketing, SEO optimization. To maximize your income as an affiliate, you must harness the power of SEO, a strategy that has proved its worth time and time again. Moving on, we delve into equally crucial strategy: creating value-packed content. Value-packed content not only encourages your audience to go deeper into your sales funnel but also helps build a loyal customer base that interacts and engages with your content, which is an integral part of any successful affiliate marketing strategy. Achieving this involves a deep understanding of your target audience and their specific needs and wants. We then concentrate on a special tip to up your affiliate marketing game and increase